Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McLennan County and central Texas, Limestone County and central Texas, southeastern Hill County and central Texas, northeastern Falls County and central Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Trading House Creek Reservoir, or 12 miles east of Balmet, moving east at 35 miles per hour. 65 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expected damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Mejia around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mejia around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Durham, Ben-Hur, Watt, Otto, Elmont, Fallon, Tours, Mount Calm, Tahoe, and Asa. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 328 and 350. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.